Alright, let's talk about a problem we all hate. Messy spreadsheets. Look at this thing. It's a disaster. Columns everywhere, data all mixed up. Trying to find any useful information in here is like finding a needle in a haystack. Your boss wants a full report by lunch, and you're staring at this thinking, there goes my weekend. We've all been there, right? That feeling of dread, the hours of manual sorting, filtering, and trying to create charts that actually make sense. The endless VLOOKUPs, the pivot tables that just won't pivot right. It's a productivity nightmare. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to turn this data chaos into crystal clear insights in seconds. Seriously, seconds. Forget everything you know about spreadsheet misery. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. You're about to see some real magic. Get ready, because what I'm about to show you will completely change how you work with data forever. No more manual labor, no more headaches. Just pure, unadulterated efficiency. Okay, here we go. I'm taking this exact same messy spreadsheet. No cleaning, no formatting, nothing. I'm just going to upload it directly into this new AI tool. Now, watch closely. This is where it gets insane. I'm not going to write a single formula. All I'm going to do is type in a simple, plain English command. I'm typing, analyze this, and find the trends. That's it. I hit enter, and boom. Look at that. Instantly, the AI has generated a complete dashboard. We've got a bar chart showing sales by region, a line graph tracking our monthly growth, and a pie chart breaking down our top-performing products. It didn't just organize the data. It understood it. It identified the key metrics, spotted the trends, and visualized everything for me in a way that's super easy to understand. This isn't just a chart, it's a story. The story of our business told in seconds. My mind is officially blown. And it gets even better. This isn't a static report. It's fully interactive. I can ask follow-up questions. Let's try one. I'll type, which product had the highest growth last quarter? And just like that, the AI highlights the exact product and even gives me the percentage growth. How about something more complex? Compare the sales performance of the East region to the West region for the first half of the year. Bam! A side-by-side comparison chart pops up instantly. I can even ask it to forecast future sales based on the current trends. This is like having a team of data analysts at your fingertips, 24/7. Think about the time you're saving. The hours, even days, you'd normally spend wrestling with this data are now freed up. You can spend that time on what actually matters. Making smart, data-driven decisions. You're no longer just a spreadsheet operator. You're a strategist. You can spot opportunities, identify potential problems before they escalate, and present your findings with confidence. No more guesswork. No more I think this is what the data says, you know? And you can prove it with beautiful, clear visualizations created in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. This technology isn't just for data scientists or big corporations. It's for you. It's for the small business owner, the marketing manager, the sales rep, anyone who has to deal with data and wants to do it faster and smarter. The learning curve is practically zero. If you can type a question, you can analyze data like a pro. This is the ultimate work hack. It's the competitive edge you've been looking for. So the next time you're faced with a spreadsheet from hell, don't panic. Don't waste your precious time. Just let AI do the heavy lifting. Turn hours of tedious work into seconds of insight. Work smarter, not harder. This is the future of productivity, and it's available right now. Stop drowning in data and start using it to win. If this blew your mind as much as it did mine, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing tech tips. Let me know in the comments how you would use this to transform your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.